Fu, the Earth's fundamental forces, are tapped via the 8 octograms. The whole body is in balance. A change in emphasis in one part of the body will affect a countering change in another part. The routines are incredibly difficult to learn, and few either qualify or have the strength to learn Tai Chi Kung Fu. Finally, all parts of the body are coordinated and fused so that it acts like a single but complex muscle. The result is fantastic strength and control. Every ounce of the body's strength can be transformed instantaneously to one single part. He who would attack Tai Chi Kung Fu must expect to die. No normal fighter has ever beaten the technique, and many have died trying. And yet, the Tai Chi expert is not completely invulnerable. There is always one weak point, both in the learner and in the master. With the body's 108 strategic points, the vulnerable point can be moved at will.
Wanna fight? Yeah? Fight me.
That's the cream stain.
That's the Tai Chi style.